Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Multiplier. So this is Multiplier. This is the welcome page. As you can see here, let's cancel that. Now what Multiplier does is that it takes your business to new places. It helps you expand your team beyond borders. With Multiplier's global human platform, you can manage global payroll, compliance and benefits for your employees wherever they are. This entire work email and get started. It is rated 4.7 out of 5 on G2. No credit card is required. So you can see it here, different countries and their payroll. Just click on pay. Just you can see what it does here, very clear, and just pays it. If you want to watch the video, just click here for more. It's also by the best companies worldwide like Uber and the rest of them. You can see it here. You can build your team without limits, employ global talent quickly and compliantly in 150 plus countries without setting up your own legal entity. Then hire an employee with EOR, hire manage contractors, have contracts signed. You can see it. You can run payroll for your global team in minutes, no matter how many locations or currencies you're working in. The Multiplier helps you keep it all in one place. You can manage your workforce with a global HRIS, one source of truth for all your HR processes so you can focus on building your business, onboard and manage your team. Support international moves. They offer visa and immigration support for your global team. So what are you waiting for? Work together with Multiplier. It is best in class tech, human first support, and painless pricing. It's those things that make Multiplier a smarter investment for your business with a 5% lower total cost of ownership. It is compliant by design. With compliant entities, legal experts, and localized benefits they've all got you covered. It has a human first customer service 24 hours, 24/7, 5 days a week support from humans, dedicated managers for every account, no matter the size, no bots, no IVR. Total transparency, no bidding fees or charges, just straightforward pricing and clearly communicated. An all-in-one global human platform. You need a global HR solution. Multiplier makes it easy to hire, onboard, manage, and pay employees and contractors around the world. They offer end-to-end global employee management all in one place. You want to get started? Click here and get started. You can see it here. This is support hire. This just shows you everything it does in a nutshell. So it is scalable, human-centric, integrated. If you are too fatigued, no problem. It fits into your existing suite of tools and helps them work better together. Your all-in-one HR solution. That's what Multiplier is. It is trusted by industry leaders. It is great. Don't take it from them. Give it a try today. It helps build bridges, not borders. Helps you understand local markets, connect with the world, everything. It also has job description template, talent trends, different countries. You can explore more, so you can say hello to the world without limits. Whatever you need, Multiplier got it covered. So give it a try today.